taasan ako ng orto mo. Kasi yung baba mo, iniikot ko pa itong isa. Pero yung taas mo, medyo nag-up na tayo.
Kiri-kiri na to, nagdikit na siya.
Pagka mas makapal na yung work,
Ay, meron pa ng Rafaela, kailangan natin mag-glowing kinamper. Right?
yes, glowing.
Glowing kinamper, Lou.
Life, glowing sensation.
Ayan na, nakuha yung Lord namin. Ang galing! Oh my God, I love these guys.
Diba pala, may pampa-adjust ng ngipin, walang pamasahe. Like, is this Tagalog? Check. Kalibre na siya, like sky is there. See?
I'm a man and you're a woman. It's only human. You wanna squeeze? Let me love you, Carmelita. Just one tender kiss and then I will bet my bottom peso on your own say so. Or kiss again. Did your mother ever tell you that it isn't quite a kiss? I'm a man and you're a woman. It's only human. You wanna squeeze? Let me love you, Carmelita.
Sir, nakamute ka.
Open cam, guys. Yes, I want to see your face, your lovable face. Alam, kumanta ka si Adrian.
Saan mo siya dalahin? It's a prank.
Iwanan mo o piling nasaan ka na. Muling Okay. Okay naman po ba kayo? Kamusta naman po ba kayo? Okay naman yung mga kumakain. Ikaw kayang iwan ka. Iwan ka. Okay na. And meeting ko na to. Okay, guys.
Wala. Wala talaga siya.